I can't believe it. Serious. I'm so upset right now. I'm disappointed. I was in a good mood. That's right. I was in a good mood. Very good mood. I cannot believe it. The pastor told me. He told us. The pastor told me. Yes. Paul Little. Yes. Told me. Yes. He said, I will talk to you. That's right. Because Francis is not little. He's not amazing. That's right. He said to me, yes, distinctly, yes. He said, on this occasion, it's special, precious, and I've already advised the ladies not to come here in it. Don't hear no. And I cannot believe it. I was up there dancing, and I look over, I saw it. I just see it go. I saw it. I see it go. The pastor told me that this occasion is special, precious. I will not see one woman wearing falls here. I cannot believe when I look around. They're right here. And they know themselves. Yeah. We're not occupying for nobody. Because they know themselves. Yeah. So I look for me right now. But we don't look for them. Because they know themselves. Yes. I have one question to ask them. True or false? Sister true. That is a good answer. Because when you were born with the hair, or you purchased the hair, as long as you have been received for hair, it's your hair. Ladies and hair. Play on the song, play on the song, play on the song, play on the song, play on the song. You're looking very good in here in the falls hair. But the thing is, listen, ladies, falls hair does not last forever. No. Repeat it, brother. I said, falls, let me go in the video. I said, falls hair does not last forever. Some of you ladies have it in 1 week, let it go. 2 weeks, let it go. 3 weeks, stop washing like clothes and hanging it out, let it go. The good thing about falls hair is, yes, when it expires, it talks to you. It talks to you. It touches you. You will feel it. You will know because it's your hair. And it's not a normal scratch. This is normal. Yeah. When the falls hair scratch, yes. Once again, yes. Show them what happened. You wonder why your head is not hurt you. Yes, it's a pleasure to be here, ladies. Yes, ladies. Yes, like a weird code. If you could chat some more people. But I call them now, man. That's exactly. Yes, so I go on them can't fix it. Yeah. Yes, we can't fix it. We live here. Never bring back. Yes. But by the time they never forget. Oh, God. That's right. So chat them. Yes. Yeah. Now, brother, that's all. Uh-oh. You're not fighting. Don't understand. Nah, you up here, work somebody with a laugh. You know what? Problem. It is by itself. Right? When you see a man live by themselves, yes, they don't laugh. They don't laugh. They can go and do everything by themselves. When they're sleeping, they sleep by themselves. They go in the shower and bed by themselves. When they never eat by themselves. And when they sit in a church, they see no, they see the people woman. It's not laugh no cat, yes. It's not people celebrating. It's one in the church, you don't celebrate people over. No, it's not with church sisters, yes. What's your name, son? Huh? Leah, what's your lady's name? Latisha. A fear of my name.
Leon.
It's a Leon. I see you church, and soon you come church a week time. That's right, that's how you want to find. I should learn today. Okay, so you know what I said, so you don't find fun of man. But I'm going to wash you after. You know what I said, yeah, I'm going to wash you. Yeah, hold on. Come photographer, we're ready. All right, pay for the rest. So ready for short time? That's right. I mean, even though you sit down, it's coordinated. I have never seen it before. That's not just because this is not a church here. No, what's the name? I realize that it's not only word harvesting. That's right. Because of how the church coordinates. Yes, that's very coordinated. Because for every ugly person, a good looking person there. It's like them like ugly, good looking, ugly. It's well coordinated. If you don't believe me, look at the person beside you. And say the person look good.
But now look.
Hey, it's something we know now. We know this so well because every time you have a coming in the door, one arm is ugly. And one arm is fat. Oh! But now, I mean, I'm going to guys say, now I'm not going to find. Yes. I'm going to come straight. I'm going to perform on stage. I'm going to move. I'm going to look up. Some of the stuff I tell you. Yes, I'm going to look up for immigration. And immigration, this is a church for immigration, a really real church. That doesn't go to them. Not come to church and pick up who illegal. No. Them just come to church and they say, praise God, and I'm going back. But they go dance and then they write there with the people look. Where you name? Yo, particular. Cross. Henry. Me, he's a rebel. What are you doing here? You don't think you're supposed to be here? The angel told me to come here. And you know, when the Lord said, the angel, you are knows, I have to go to foreign, your cross. I know one thing, you can't yourself, I'm going to see that video there, I'll go there, and then I'll video way, okay. And you know it go. Yeah, you know, be careful. You don't know what's taking place in Jamaica, right? You know, man. And the Jamaicans there? Legally?
That's all I want, yeah, because you know, Jamaica, I don't like Jamaica when I leave it. Some want to leave for long, when they even know we have highway. I'm told, move. But I don't know that nice thing that, when they even know so the US are $111 so one.
Yeah.
You see, when they even know so Vice Carter is no longer free. So be careful more than kids, and lizard in kill. And lizard in, and them with us no more. So they don't trouble them, send them. I come to the airport and see a roach walk out and lay the bag. So she goes, you know, walk go in. She no bother. So no we are going to yard.
Because in the case, it changed everything about food.
That's right.
Because it's a case in Jamaica. You see, me no man, look at man as an IT, if you cannot be good, be careful. So you see, yeah, my lady, no matter me trying to find out, I don't believe myself, no. But you see, this phone thing, you see, me send a text to some other girl, and you delete it, and think it done.
No gone away, no gone away. They're right there.
If they're still somewhere, I mean, I don't want to put parts of my phone because my lady search it. And no matter what, always find a way to go in the phone. So the company give me a new phone named iPhone S. Fingerprint. See that? I'm going to say, yes, she can't search the phone again. I want to be a bill. She go to her phone and say, I'm going to have wire and thing for it. But through my fingerprint, she can't search again. Yes! I never realized it. At night time. When I see, she take me out. Jackie, try to pass something to yourself.
There's no one smart like that to the
You're smarter than me, man.
So I feel like so smart, forget it. Yeah, woman have the copyright for smart.
That's smart.
You're looking at the picture of the word smart. It's a woman picture is the case of. We're not going to smart, we're deep, we're smart.
Oh, I see that here, so guys, you know. We as man, we just have to be yourself. We for be yourself.
Yes.
Because we never beside our wife.
Yeah.
And the phone will ring. And next woman will call.
Where you do?
We walk off.
Right.
You can't call me no.
Right, that's what she do.
No, call me no. He call you.
Right, that's what she do is that men that woman will call you.
They walk off.
Because you walk off.
Don't walk off.
Because if your phone ring.
And a man call she.
And she's beside you.
She's not walking up.
She's not going nowhere.
She's up your soul.
Up your clothes. And
yeah.
Tree to work.
What's she say?
Yes. Yes. All right. Because of our father gentleman. You don't know she's here there.
She now walk off.
Look, what you got conversation is a man called bring.
You play the one.
Me I play the lady.
Bring.
Hello?
Yo, baby, your man there.
Yes!
In the beside you.
Yes!
Me call you tomorrow.
Alright.